What's up, guys? Johnny here, and today we are going to talk about Carvana, how it is reaching its support level of around $97 and has the potential to go up all the way to $125. Guys, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name's Johnny, and I trade live every morning with our Learn to Earn team and our Investing for Beginners community. So definitely check that out if you haven't already by subscribing to the channel, smashing the like button, and joining us every morning at market open. No matter what time that is in your time zone, I will be live whenever the market is open in your area. I myself wake up at 7:30. Well, I start trading live at 7:30, get up about 6:30, and then start watching the market, setting up for the live stream about 7 o'clock during pre-market, finding runners like this, oversold companies, and plays that you can make profits off of every day, if not every week. So thanks for being a part of this video today. Smash the like button and let's get started. So as you can see, Carvana had a huge push up from that $80 mark all the way up to $123, resulting in a 50% profit in a single day. Now, can this happen again? It could. Will it so dramatically? Probably not. But look at this, guys. It had a nice area of interest at that 113 to 123 level, indicating now that this may be a little bit oversold. Bouncing off of this $97 level, it's already up 4%. Now, 4% is nothing compared to where it can get to. It can go up as high as 22% still if it stays along with this trajectory. Now, it doesn't have to. It can break. It can even go below and go back down to $80. So be cautious of your risk, but also be aware that there is potential to make money on this company. Now, that even though it's up 4%, doesn't mean that it has to continue to go up. Some key areas of interest here is going to be at 104, possibly 105, where it may get rejected and bounce back down to 97, to where this may be the key area that it plays in for a while before we see another breakout. Now, this is a good information to know because it did just touch this area a little while ago, and now it's pushing down on the 1-minute chart, as you can see here. Now, even though it did bounce up 2.5%, that would have been a nice play for any of our traders out there who are struggling to make a profit. You can see that 2.5% would have been a nice little move. Now, it does have area of interest at 103, causing a bit of resistance this morning. But overall, guys, let's see what happens with this company in the next few days, if not in the next couple of weeks. I do have this on my oversold watch list, and if you guys want to see more about my oversold watch list and other companies that we are watching, have over 43 stocks for 2024 that we watch, and then I throw the best ones that are oversold in our oversold list, and you could even see my positions and me trading live every single day at market open. So if you guys want to be a part of that, definitely subscribe to the channel. You can also sign up with the first link below. It's free, and sign up and join our community of over 70,000 members, all like-minded, just like you, who want to learn how to make money in the stock market. That is our Investing for Beginners private group on Facebook. And then we also have a Discord, second link in the description, where you can actually get a little bit more in-depth, hands-on, one-on-one training with me and the team, and we can show you exactly where we buy, where we sell, our trade ideas, our profits, our losses, and all that in our Discord channel. So definitely check that out if you haven't already, guys. And I want to end you with one more thing. Okay, one more thing I want to end you with today. As you can see here, if you subscribe, you can win a $100 gift card. When you sign up with your email on our website, you can get a free weekly newsletter, a Financial Freedom Can Be Easy 10-step guide, ebook, and a budget template, all for free to you for just signing up with your email. Also, when you subscribe, you'll win a $100 gift card. If you get picked as a winner, the more comments you leave on the videos, the more entries you get into that contest. Also, the main point of this is trading tools. We have the most useful tools that you can use as a beginner investor. We offer the most current earnings releases, most anticipated earning releases, and companies that are releasing their earnings for this week and every week after. Current economic calendar charts that you can use if you don't have WeBull, MooMoo, or Robinhood, and other key factors that we use on this channel, like 3 stages of reversal, position size, support and resistance levels, risk reward, and win rates. Also have a ton of blog articles that you can check out, and this is also where I go live every single day. And there's a little button for the Discord. So definitely invest in yourself if you haven't already, and start, benefiting from learning how to invest in the market, guys. It can be a great opportunity for anyone to learn how to make a couple $100 a day, or even a week, or even a month to put into your pocket and go use somewhere else. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe. I make 2 videos a day. I make a live stream in the morning at market open. I make some kind of educational video in the afternoon. And every once in a while, you get a gemstone like this, which is video number 3 on the day. And it really helps you just to dial in and understand what I'm doing and capture all of my ideas and strategies throughout this journey. So thank you, guys. Let's end the week on a green note, and we'll see you all in tomorrow's live stream.